Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna give you the prediction of your IELTS listening, reading and writing exam. This prediction belongs to 1st February 2025 IELTS exam for academic students because 1st February only academic students they are going to appear in this exam. Alright, so now let's get started with the listening. But before that, if you are new on this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe this channel because here you can get the prediction of your exam, and also you can get the answer key of your exam. And also on the top of that, if you are looking for your English buddy partners, then definitely we are here to help you out for that too. But again, the condition is you need to write us an email, or you can also comment us in the comment section if your speaking exam is close by. And not only for the speaking for IELTS preparation, but again we are also train the people for their job English speaking for their job interviews also. All right, so let's get started before wasting your time. First belongs to listening. So listening, again, part 1 Phillips, it's going to be easy. Part 2 multiple choice question answers or map, it's also going to be easy. And part 3 multiple choice question answers and match the information, going to be easy to moderate. And part 4 is Phillips, is going to be easy. So before we are going to predict the overall prediction of this listening exam, if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel because we are helping the students for free English speaking classes. And also if you think this video or other videos of this channel is helpful, or any type of help it provides you, then please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Now, overall prediction of this exam, the level of the exam will be easy but fast. So fast means you need to pay more attention about the fast track listening modules. So you need to look at the modules where you can see the fast tracks and plus different accents too, because that is also one of the weak point of the students. Sometimes they couldn't understand what is going on, and sometimes they also use the small or shortcut or acronyms. So you need to also understand what they were saying. Okay, so this is all about the listening. Now moving forward to the reading. But again, if you are new on this channel, that is again humble request, please don't forget to subscribe this channel, and also please don't forget to like, or if you even don't like this video, please give us a down thumbs up, right, thumb down. But again, you need to give us the feedback why you are thinking this video is not helpful for you. Okay, so now reading. Passage 1 is always true false not given sentences, not true false and not given sentence completion. This exam is going to be easy for you all. Passage 2 is for list of headings. Which paragraph and line contains the following information, or semi-academic contents possibly related to the human behavioral or workplace trends. So this type of conversation you need to prepare for your academic module, and this part will be easy to moderate too. So please careful while attending any of the passage or any of the modules like that. Now passage 3, yes, no, matching and summary completion, mainly analytical and argumentative. Okay, so you need to pay attention all your readings in argumental and analytical text or complex issues like scientific debate or culture and theories. So these type of passages are really uh, predictable in your upcoming IELTS exam. So here you need to pay attention because this is going to be easy to moderate. Okay, All right. So overall, if we talk about this exam, so overall, this exam is also reading is for little bit tricky for the students who is going to attend this exam first time. And please do practice, 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 because in that way you can get more confidence about this. And if you ask about the potential topic for all this reading, overall for this reading, so technology advancement, environment, conversations, and scientific experiments and discoveries. Please, these are the potential topics: history, technology, and history of technology and environment. So please don't forget to study all these topics, okay? Human behavior or workplace trends, okay? And then scientific debates and cultures and theories. So these all are the part in reading predictable for your upcoming IELTS exam. So overall, this exam will be easy to moderate because of that trickiness, or you need to definitely pay more attention when you are attending this reading section, because of the new like the topics, discoveries, and scientific experiments are little bit giving you it can give you a little bit hard time to understand. So this is all about the reading. Now we are moving forward to the writing section. But before that, if you are new on this channel, then my request for each and every individual, please don't forget to subscribe this channel, because here you can get the prediction of your IELTS exam. On the top of that, you can get your IELTS exam dates. And also, if you have any question, doubt related with the exam, you need a topic help, then I'm always here to help you out with that. But again, my response can be little delay because of the time zone, because I'm in the Pacific side of, and I'm not in Indian Standard Time. So I'm not here for following the Indian Standard Time guidelines, because I'm in Pacific Standard India Pacific Standard Time. We are following that one because in America we have a day and night difference, okay? If you have any question, comments, if you are sending me any comments, you need to wait for till 24 hours. Within 24 hours I will definitely get back to you, okay? All right, for writing side, so task 1 is line, bar, table, process, combination. These all are the important topics you need to prepare on for your writing task 1. And for academic, it's a visual data, such as we can also add bar, right? Already we did a pie chart. That is one of the important pie chart. And line we already covered, and process diagram is really really very important. So trending topic is like smartphones, or trending topic all the latest technology related, and also environment, that is also trending one, and social issues, that is also one of the important topic. And social issues, you need to work on that. So these all are the important trending diagrams you need to prepare. On the basis of that, you need to fill the, so we also if you can check my videos, we have a structure diagram, a structure for task 1. If you prepare that structure, that will help you to just fill the information. You can find that in that question, like describe the trends or trends in the latest technology, how technology affects. So they will show you the graph between like 2010 to 2025, or 25 to like last 5 years, like 20 to 25. So in that way they will give you the information. So on the basis of that, you can create your description, right? So for that description details, we already structure details are there on the channel. So if you are looking for that, please go ahead, use that one, because there I use latest vocabulary words too for you guys. All right, so task 2, if we talk about task 2, the opinion and discussions, easy essay type. So it's an easy type for essay type for global warming, environment, crime, or you can say business, education, health, lifestyle, social, and you can say the cultural topics like urbanization, cultural preservation, And also you can work on your education or work, right? Social issues, any type of social issues, like for example we can say some people think the government should focus on the reducing the environmental damage, other believes that economic growth. So both topics are covered, environment and economic growth, okay? So should be prioritized. So discuss both views. So you have a one topic, one essay, but it given you the two topics, so you need to be aware of these type of topics. So in that way you can prepare yourself, learn all the things what you can in that way. If you need my help to preparation of these type of essays, please write me down in the comment section. I will help you out with that. But again, I only need your subscription. You can click on subscribe button, and also please click on the thumbs up so if you like the video. If not, then again thumb down. But again, we need to know so that feedback can help us to improve ourselves. So this is all about the prediction of your IELTS exam preparation. So this belongs to your academic students and also 1st February 2025 exam. So if you are going to appear the exam on this date, please watch this video till end, so it will help you and gives you some more freedom to prepare your exams. And also my recommendation for all Cambridge books, please prepare with the latest Cambridge book. So because it's always predictable that you can have your exam on the basis of that, okay? So thank you very much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next video. And in my next prediction is for 8th February. Please watch that. And also some students asked me to update the latest topic, trending topics. So in my next video you can also see that. But now my next prediction is on 8th February, and in this month we have 4 exams, so I will upload very soon for all the 4 predictions for that too. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video till end, students, and please don't forget to subscribe, and also please don't forget to give us a like if you think this video has helpful for your preparation. Thank you very much, and we will see you in the next video. Okay, thank you, bye bye, take care, and best of luck to all of you, and know that you can do that. Thank you, bye bye, take care.